get to the top of the world. Level 1. Gluttony.
Hey, I'm not supposed to wait, but I'm really sorry. Don't hesitate, please. Have a seat. So, well, let's talk. What's it like?
Are you okay? Okay.
Level complete. Level 2. Sloth.
Hey, what are you playing? That into your game, huh? $10 says I can beat you at it.
Level complete. Level 3. Lust. Level complete. Level 4. Envy.
Perfect couples and their perfect partners and their perfect dance.
Level complete. Level 5. Wrath. Level complete.
Oh my god, these stupid people created another comic book of me. The Bloody Bride.
Level 6. Pride.
I do look good in this, but that's just me. Who is this bleeding thing? How did we get in here? What are you looking at me? Look down. Show me some respect.
Level complete. Level 7. Greed.
You finally made it. Congratulations. I know it would have been quite a daunting task to get this far, to face the sins, your inner demons. I know you're looking forward to what lies beyond. Too bad you gotta share the top of the world with someone.
Share with someone? I didn't go through all of this to share my moment with someone. I came here to get what I want. And what I want is everything.
But after overcoming the 7 levels of deadly sins, he finally gets the chance to redeem himself from all the vices. Even if it means defeating himself unknowingly. Has he now truly achieved what he wanted to? Or is he stuck in an endless loop to get to the top of the world?